Switch. You uploaded this right after you uploaded episode 5, which was done a long time ago, but still nobody has voted. Well, since I haven't done an episode in a long time, and yeah, pretty much that. I'm gonna make another one to make it up to the viewers, and since there was no time for voting, Trashy did the worst last time and is going to the box. Oh. What are you doing here? I got eliminated. Huh. Oh, get comfortable. You're probably gonna be here for a long time. You're not as much as a likable character, so be ready to be here until, a long time. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Next challenge is we need a redesign. What? We need a redesign. Well, this is a garbage show, so we should have garbage characters. Why are you good? I guess I'm good. Okay. So next challenge will be I can't think of it. We got any ideas? Sorry, sir. I don't think I have any ideas. Let's just record. Well then, good need something. We need to think of a contest idea. I wonder what it could be. No. Let's see. Aha! I got it. The challenge is gonna be whoever can jump the farthest, and we got to get to another area. Snap. Okay, this is where we'll have most of our contests since it's a pretty big area. Why are you sitting on a cow? It's my cow chair. Okay. You'll start from this bed, and you need to see how far you can get. The person who gets the least farthest is eliminated. I think I hear a washing machine in the background. Ignore it. Okay, first up is Road Peace. He didn't do so good because of his weight. Next is Socket. Yeah. Okay, did pretty good. Next up is Dice. It's a 2! Next up is Sushi. Yep. And what's in front of that? A plug. Socket. Oh. Dang it. That was pretty bad. If only I could cut that part out. He's supposed to crack. Explosion sound. Next up is Plug. And is almost right next to Socket. Wow, I can't believe that. Next up is Pizza Time. Pizza Time. And I guess he flew better because he got a pizza, even though that would weigh him down. Next is Broom. And she flew the farthest she can go. So I guess she most likely wins, even though you don't really get anything for winning. E.T. Next up is Juice Box. Yep. And is almost like right next to Dice. 2 points. Next is Backpack. Next is Key. Hup. And Locky. Hup. Okay. X is scissors. Okay, and last is tetherball and cotton candy. Hup. Hey. Okay. So it looks like Road Piece went the least farthest and is eliminated. Goodbye. Wow, 2 eliminations in 1 episode. Rejoining time. Vote for one of these 6 characters. Can I be back? You might. Vote for either Slinky, phone box, phone, trash can, Road Piece, and the only reason he got voted for because he looked like a bird taco shell, you stupid idiot, radio. He's not a burnt taco shell, he's a radio. Vote for one of these 6 people, and yeah. Voting ends a week from when this was uploaded, I guess. Goodbye.